Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be saying how to make god pho or godda pho. This can be had as an evening snack or as a sweet dish. This is a Konkani dish which is mainly made during festivals or any good occasion as a prasad or naivedyam. So let's see how to make this simple dish. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and when it turns grey, press the bell icon next to it to get the latest updates from our channel. For the ingredients required are 1 cup of flattened rice, 3/4 cup grated coconut, half a cup jaggery, 3 elaichi, half a tablespoon sesame seed, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon ghee, 1 tablespoon sugar, in a bowl we are taking the flattened rice, coconut grating and elaichi and mixing it by using our hands until the pho turns soft. In a kadai, we are adding the chana dal and dry roasting them. Once the chana dal is half done, we are adding the sesame seeds to it and dry roasting them as well until they turn aromatic. Keep mixing the ingredients and cook them in slow flame so that they don't get burnt. Once the dry roasting is done, shift it immediately to a plate for it to cool down. In the same kadai, we are adding 3 tablespoons of water. Add the jaggery and let it melt completely and cook them until you get one thread consistency. Cook the mixture in a low flame, else the jaggery will get burnt and harden. Now your panko is ready. We can now add the pank to the pho and mix them well using your hands. We can now add the dry roasted dal, sugar and ghee and mix the pho well. Now our pho is ready. I hope you liked the video and do try the recipe and do let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to make any other such recipes, do comment that as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.